Alright, if you're building any API in Python, please do this one thing, add rate limiting. It takes less than a minute and instantly protects your backend from brute force attacks and spam hits. Here's how you do it. So I have my Python project which I'm using FastAPI. I'll be using a package called SlowAPI to put rate limits on my API. I have this normal one API, it's called /user. So what I need to do to add limiter first is to create a limiter file. So let me create a folder. Inside that I will create a limiter file .py like that. Now I need to import all the packages for the limiter. So first now we have SlowAPI, and from here I need to import the limiter, not this one, yep, limiter, and then I need to import another function which comes from SlowAPI, which allow us to get the remote address from the request, and one more which is a request package request function from FastAPI. So what it does is basically, let me remove this one. Okay, yep. So here as you can see I have this limiter which is initialized, and the key function which is basically a function which is used to uniquely identify each request. So let's say if it is IP address, so this IP address will be used to track the request, how many requests from this IP address has come. So let us do this one. Now let me add this limiter. How to add this limiter to our endpoints? So we basically just fetch it from, import it, and then inside that we can add our rate limiter, yep, like that. So let us run this file now. I will run my python main.py. You can see it is running. Let us go to the endpoint. So the limit we put are 5 per minute. So let us try to call it 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. You can see it is giving the error 5 per minute, and that's literally it. Now every IP automatically gets throttled. Anyone trying to brute force your login route, blocked. Someone harming your API with hundreds of requests, slow down instantly. It's one of the fastest security wins you can add to a backend, and now you know how to do it under 60 seconds.